Hello guys! Welcome back and thank you so much for watching again my video. So, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a takoyaki box. This is a medium-sized box for takoyaki. Pero bago ako mag-start, sa mga baguhan dito sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the notification bell button and then set to all para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang mga uploads. And now, to start with, this is the material I am going to use. One side is brown and the other side is white. And this is a clay-coated board. And the measurement or the dimension of this material is 10.5 inches by 13 inches. This is good for one piece of box. And the dimension of the box that I can make out of this board is 6.5 by 4 by 2 inches. Okay, ngayon, start na natin gawin. Una ay magme-measure tayo. At ang una nating i-measure ay itong height. So, left and right sides are for the height. At ang height ng box na gagawin ko ay 2 inches. So, magme-measure muna tayo from the edge of this board ng 2 inches. Then, the length of the box, which is 6.5 inches. And this side is 2 inches. And dito, the same measurement lang doon sa kabila. So, it is 2 inches, 6.5, and then 2. Sa side naman na ito, mag-start tayo ng measurement from this point. Then, pataas, measure ka ng 2 inches. And then, the width of the box is 4 inches. Then, another 2 inches. And then, 4 inches. And the flip of the cover is 1 inch. And then, dito naman, the same measurement lang. First is 2 inches, then next is 4 inches, and another 2 inches, then another 4 inches, and the last is 1 inch. That is for the flip of the cover. And now, i-connect ko na yung mga markings na nilagay ko kanina. Okay, so ito na yun. And ang next is, gagawin ko naman yung pang-insert sa side ng box dito. And kukuhanin ko yung middle niya muna. From this point, mag-measure lang ako ng 1 inch. The same thing here. And then, from here, another 1 inch. And then, connect to the corner. And here, the same lang ang gagawin. Get the middle first. And then, after getting the middle, from this point, just measure 1 inch. And then, connect it to the corner. Like that. Then, dito naman, ang part na to ay hindi ko na isasama. So, I have to measure at least ½ inch from this point. Yun lang ang ititira ko dyan. Okay, I'm done on the right side. At kung ano yung ginawa ko dito, the same thing lang din ang gagawin ko dito sa left side. And next is dito gagawa ako ng hole or ikakat ko to para may pag-insertan ako nung lock ng sa side ng box. Para maayos ang fittings ng box natin guys, dapat eksakto yung mga measurement. So ang agwat kung saan ka magkakat dito sa side na to, dapat same siya ng measurement dito. So ito is 1 inch. So dapat dito din ay 1 inch. See, this is 1 inch. So from this point, measure tayo ng 1 inch. And yan, dito tayo magsisimula ng pagkat. Then dito, the same lang ang gagawin natin. 1 inch here. So, sukat din tayo ng 1 inch from this point. Yan. Dito tayo mag-start mag-cut. Lalagyan ko na ng line. Dito naman, the same lang. Kung ano yung ginawa natin doon sa right side, yun din gagawin natin dito sa left side. Next is, dito naman sa cover, lalagyan ko siya ng curve. And para proportion siya from both lines, from both vertical lines, mag-measure ako ng 3/4 inch. And I will use this protractor to make a curve here. And dito naman, magkakat ako para mailock yung cover ng box. And I have to measure again para nasa center siya, nasa pinaka-center siya. Okay, so ito na yung pinaka-middle. Then, mag-put lang ako ng line na parang V-shape para yun na lang ang susundin ko pagkat mamaya. Okay. Ngayon naman, isi-shape ko na siya. And I will cut out all those portions that are not needed. Yan. Ito na ang ating template. Okay, next is scoring. In scoring, guys, I'm using a cutting mat, ruler, and the other side of the cutter, the one that is not sharp. This will help me in assembling the box, especially in folding, because this is a thick board, so I have to put a guide where I can easily fold this material. Okay, next is here on the side. I will have to cut it, and I need to follow the line I have put earlier. And in this point, I have to cut also a slanting line because of this. And the same thing here. Cut a slanting also. Ayan. Then, And this side also, the same thing. What we did exactly on the right side should be done also here on the left side. Okay, so I'm done on both sides. Next is here on the cover. I just need to cut exactly on the line that I have put earlier. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to assemble it. See, it's easy to fold when you have scored it. Make sure that in scoring, you followed exactly the line. Otherwise, your box cannot be assembled perfectly. Okay, this one should be inserted in here. Okay. And then on the other side also. Yeah, that's it. So, we now have a takoyaki or medium-sized takoyaki box. This is it. And next is, I'm going to cut here. Just cut a V shape in order to lock this box. You are just going to insert this. Yan, so ganito guys. Para siyang V-shape. Then, insert mo yan doon sa flip ng cover. Okay, so this is now our takoyaki box. Okay guys, so ito na yung box natin. Hindi natin kailangan gumamit ng paste or tape para mabuo yung box na ganito. Okay, and this is how this box should be locked. Ayan, insert lang yan dyan. So, that's it. So, this is the takoyaki box, medium size. This is the side and the back, then the other side. Okay, ayusin lang natin ang pagka-insert. Okay, so this is it. Then, this is the front. Okay, that's it. And this is how it should be opened. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and comment if you have questions.